Welcome to today's video exploring the benefits of consuming garlic at night. Have you ever considered that your kitchen might harbor secrets to better health, especially after dark? What if I told you that this humble clove could become your nightly wellness ally? Picture lowering your blood pressure, fortifying your immune system, and even adding zest to your love life, all while you sleep. But how much should you consume, raw or cooked? And what's the optimal way to incorporate it into your diet? In this video, we'll unveil the nocturnal wonders of garlic. From age-old remedies to cutting-edge science, we'll delve into how this potent ingredient can revolutionize your well-being. Join us as we peel away the layers of folklore and facts surrounding nighttime garlic consumption. You might just discover why garlic could become your new nightly ritual. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's delve in. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, the content shared here is for educational purposes only and should not be seen as a replacement for professional medical advice. Now, let's explore the myriad benefits of consuming garlic before bedtime. 1. Boosts immune function. Consuming garlic at night taps into its abundant allicin content, a compound renowned for enhancing immune function. When garlic is crushed or chewed, this compound is released, playing a pivotal role in combating infections. A study published in the Journal of Immunology Research in 2015 underscores how allicin influences the body's immune cells, particularly enhancing the functionality of macrophages and lymphocytes. These cells serve as frontline defenders against common colds and infections. Moreover, garlic's sulfur-containing compounds contribute to its antioxidant properties, which bolster the immune system by combating oxidative stress, a factor known to weaken immune responses. This dual action makes garlic a straightforward yet potent choice for enhancing your immune health nightly. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic's capacity to lower blood pressure extends beyond allicin. It contains other beneficial compounds like diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine that collaborate to dilate your blood vessels. This dilation enhances blood flow and alleviates pressure on your heart. A study published in Trends in Pharmacological Sciences in 2018 demonstrated that these compounds aid in the production of hydrogen sulfide and nitric oxide, both essential for vasodilation. Think of these compounds as natural regulators, ensuring smooth blood flow while you sleep. It's akin to adjusting a high-pressure hose to a gentler stream, granting your heart much-needed respite. Incorporating this nightly ritual could serve as a simple yet effective method to manage your blood pressure. However, it's important to remember that garlic is a supplement, not a substitute, for prescribed medications. 3. Improves cholesterol levels. The impact of garlic on cholesterol levels presents an intriguing facet of its health advantages. It's not solely allicin that contributes to this effect, but also other compounds like S-allylcysteine and diallyl disulfide. These constituents collaborate to address cholesterol through various mechanisms. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2001 emphasized that these compounds actively inhibit the formation of cholesterol in the liver, a pivotal site for cholesterol production. Additionally, garlic aids in the clearance of cholesterol from the bloodstream. What does this signify for you? By incorporating garlic into your nightly regimen, you could potentially bolster your body's ability to regulate cholesterol more efficiently. This holds particular significance for maintaining heart health and warding off related ailments. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic are truly noteworthy. While allicin often takes the spotlight, there's a harmonious interplay of compounds involved. Diallyl disulfide, another significant element, has been demonstrated to impede inflammatory pathways within the body. This was elucidated in a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2019. What's intriguing is the collaborative action of these compounds. They diminish inflammation by obstructing specific enzymes and signaling pathways that instigate inflammatory responses. Think of it as garlic transmitting a soothing message to quell your body's hyperactive immune reaction. This multifaceted approach renders garlic a natural and efficacious means of combating inflammation, thereby augmenting your overall well-being, particularly when consumed at night. It's nature's gentle assistance in maintaining inflammation at bay. 5. Detoxifies heavy metals. The process by which garlic detoxifies heavy metals in the body is genuinely intriguing. When we ingest garlic, it's not solely allicin that exerts its effects. There are additional compounds, such as sulfur-containing amino acids, that play an integral role. Research, like the study published in Basic and Clinical Pharmacology and Toxicology in 2012, sheds light on how these sulfur compounds contribute to mitigating the harmful effects of heavy metals like lead and cadmium within the body. These compounds bind with heavy metals, diminishing their concentration in vital organs and the bloodstream. For example, findings from a 4-week clinical trial demonstrated that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. This isn't merely about statistical figures, it signifies tangible relief for individuals exposed to industrial pollution or contaminated water sources. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine can thus serve as a straightforward yet effective strategy for supporting your body's innate detoxification processes. 6. Improves bone health. Consuming garlic at night could serve as a simple, natural method to enhance your bone health. Researchers have discovered that garlic, particularly in its raw form, is abundant in nutrients such as vitamins B6 and C, manganese, selenium, and various antioxidants. Beyond allicin, these components play a pivotal role in preserving robust bones. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2011 demonstrated that garlic oil significantly mitigated bone loss in rats experiencing estrogen deficiency, a common precursor to osteoporosis in humans. This suggests the potential of garlic in bolstering bone health, particularly for postmenopausal women who are at increased risk of osteoporosis. The antioxidants present in garlic aid in combating oxidative stress, which can hasten bone loss. Therefore, by integrating garlic into your nightly routine, you're not only enhancing the flavor of your meal but also nurturing the health and resilience of your bones. 7. Aids in digestion. Renowned for its unique flavor, garlic also serves as a powerhouse for digestive health, particularly when consumed at night. It is enriched with compounds like fructans and saponins, which are recognized for their supportive effects on gut health. These natural elements foster the proliferation of beneficial bacteria in the gut, crucial for digestion and overall gut well-being. A study published in 2022 underscored garlic's role in promoting a balanced gut flora, essential for averting gastrointestinal disorders. Consuming garlic at night allows ample time for it to exert its effects on your digestive system while you rest. During this period of reduced activity, garlic's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, as elucidated in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2021, actively combat harmful bacteria and soothe the digestive tract. This not only facilitates digestion but also enhances nutrient absorption. 8. Improves sleep quality. Incorporating garlic into your evening routine could potentially improve your sleep quality. It's not solely about allicin. Garlic encompasses a variety of beneficial compounds. Researchers have discovered that garlic affects our sleep quality through various pathways. A study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry in 2019 elucidates how garlic's antioxidants counteract oxidative stress, which often disrupts sleep patterns. By reducing this stress, garlic helps stabilize the body's internal clock, leading to more restful nights. Additionally, garlic aids in serotonin production, a crucial neurotransmitter involved in regulating sleep. Thus, adding a bit of garlic to your evening meal could serve as a simple, natural method to enhance your sleep quality. 9. Increase your sex drive. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine may offer more than just a flavorful addition to your dinner. Intriguingly, it could also ignite your sexual desire. Here's how the rich array of nutrients and bioactive compounds in garlic, such as allicin, diallyl disulfide, and S-allylcysteine, collaborate to enhance blood circulation. Improved circulation leads to increased blood flow, a crucial factor in sexual arousal for both men and women. A study published in Food Frontiers in 2023 highlights garlic's potential to elevate nitric oxide levels in the blood, thereby enhancing vascular health. This is significant because good vascular health forms the foundation for healthy sexual function. Additionally, garlic's role in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, as indicated by research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2013, indirectly supports sexual health by maintaining a healthier cardiovascular system. Garlic might just be the unexpected ally in your intimate moments. Best ways to consume garlic. To fully harness the health advantages of consuming garlic at night, consider these tips and guidelines. Raw versus cooked. Raw garlic packs a stronger punch in terms of beneficial compounds like allicin. However, if raw garlic is too potent for your taste, lightly cooking it can make it more palatable while still retaining most of its benefits. A common recommendation is 1 to 2 cloves of garlic per night, as this amount is sufficient to provide health benefits without causing discomfort. It's crucial not to overdo it, as excessive garlic intake can lead to digestive upset. Preparation method. To maximize the release of allicin, crush or chop the garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before consuming. Garlic tea. For a milder experience, you can make garlic tea by crushing a clove of garlic, steeping it in hot water, and drinking it before bed. Timing. Consuming garlic about 30 minutes before bedtime allows your body enough time to assimilate its nutrients without disrupting your sleep. Combination with other foods. Combining garlic with a small snack like crackers or yogurt can help alleviate potential stomach discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. Consistency. Regular consumption is key to obtaining the long-term health benefits of garlic. However, if you're on medication or have a health condition, consult with your healthcare provider before adding garlic to your nightly routine. Individual responses to garlic can vary, so it's essential to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Incorporating garlic as part of a balanced diet is a simple and natural way to support your overall health. Throughout this journey into the surprising world of garlic and its incredible benefits when consumed at night, from boosting the immune system to supporting heart health and even enhancing romantic experiences, it's evident that garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. Remember, moderation and consistency are key, and maintaining balance is crucial for overall well-being. We hope this information has provided you with insights into the simple yet powerful benefits of garlic. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and secrets. Do you have any experiences with garlic at night? Share them with us. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.